Hello everyone, so I am back at it with my Unconventional challenge project. I'm out here on the porch because I'm going to try to dye this newspaper. These are like the little like coupon things you get from the grocery store, and we get one like every week. So I have this water-based stamp ink. I want to do something to the paper that will still enable it to be recycled, so I don't want to paint it, which I think is not so great for recycling, but ink is okay. And I have water, and I'm hoping that like when I mix it together it's gonna have some kind of dye effect, but I don't know for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes. I've got some gloves and we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it works, because I really don't want my dress to have meat all over it. Okay. I'm gonna put a decent amount because this isn't dye, it's ink. And I literally bought it for a stamp pad, so I have way more than I need. Well, I think I bought it for something else too, so I don't know, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, it seems to be coloring the water. And, oh, well, that's promising. All right, let's just do this one page. Yeah, let's do one page. See how it goes. I'm probably going to turn our driveway blue whenever this is all dying, so my husband might not be too happy with me. Oh no. Okay, so oh gosh. Okay, so the newsprint is disintegrating, so this one is a no-go. I just need to be a little more gentle, maybe. Ugh. I want this to dry, and I want to be able to like pleat it. So that one was a fail. Let's try again, and I'll be a little more gentle. Okay. All right, there we go. And we have a little drying rope cord over there that I'm going to go set these all to dry. But that looks good. Hopefully it keeps. Was that 2 pages or 1? I can't tell. Okay. This is a much brighter blue than I was expecting so far. That's fine. I thought it would be more of like a deeper, like navy color. This page. Alright, so this is a double page. This is the page I had trouble with before, so okay. Not too bad. I had to go take my sweater off because I don't really care what happens to these overalls, obviously. The sweater, I would like sweater shirt. I would like to keep it a little bit nice. Alright, I think this is working. I'm just going to keep going. And hopefully I have room to hang it all to dry. I should actually probably move over there so I'm not dripping this everywhere. So I might do that in a second. Do I have ink on my face? I feel like I probably have ink on my face. So I'm only doing this with the newsprint pages because they're super porous and I think they'll take to the ink well. I don't think that this would work with any of the glossy paper or even maybe the regular paper, but I had a lot of this to work with, so all over my arms. Okay, so that's it. I have a decent amount. I hope it's enough for a pleated skirt. Pleats do take up a lot of fabric and I want multiple layers, so I have a feeling it'll all go kind of fast and I might have to add to it. I don't know, we'll see. It's drying really quickly, which I'm really happy with, and because I don't really want to leave it out here all night. And I think it looks really cool. So I'm just going to clip it because it's kind of windy. So I just want to make sure that nothing blows away. One of them already blew off. Hello everyone, so I'm Nicole. Welcome to my studio. I am working again on my unconventional project. I'm working on the skirt. I was able to dye all of this newsprint with blue ink, and the top, as you know, is finished. So right now I'm just doing the pleating on the skirt, and I just keep adding paper and pleating it. I want to make multiple levels of pleating, but I'm just starting with the under layer right now. I would like to do a layer on this side that's a little shorter, but this would be too short. This will maybe be a top layer. So maybe I'll do these sideways instead of long ways on this side. And then, but right now I'm just trying to get a good base down so that I can fit it enough all the way around to the back. And what I'm thinking on the back, since I don't think I'll be able to put a zipper in this, what I think I'm going to do is overlap it so that I can just tape it on myself, overlapped, and my butt hopefully won't be exposed. I might even have some paper going past where the waistband goes just to make sure I'm covered back there for the photos. But I think so far so good. I like the way the security envelopes look with the blue newsprint. And if I finish this, I'm going to add that detail on the shoulder like we talked about. And I might add it, well, no, I think just on the shoulder. We'll see. So yeah, so far so good. I'm just going to keep pinning here. All I'm doing is picking up, this is very arbitrary. I'm just picking up pleats and pinning them. Creasing and pinning. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to go across this whole top with tape to secure it in place. I'm really nervous about using any kind of stitching because I don't want to perforate this fragile paper and have it tear. I'm even nervous using the pins in it, but we'll see how it goes. I've also been careful to cover, let's see if I can find one. So I don't know if you could see this, but this is where I taped 2 pieces of paper together, and I'm covering that inside a pleat so that you can't see it. So yeah, just gonna keep tracking along here. Okay, so I am done with the skirt portion of my unconventional materials dress. I'm only going to give you this view right now because it's starting to look like an actual garment, and I want there to be some sort of element of surprise. But I'm really happy with the way all of the pleating turned out. I love all the different layers, and I'm excited to move forward to the next step. I think next week I'm going to work on the detail on the shoulder that I talked about in my previous video, and possibly some accessories. We'll see. If you haven't already, I highly recommend checking out the hashtag #SewUnconventional. There are people using just the craziest materials. Like, I thought what I was doing was kind of cool, but I'm gonna be blown out of the water once reveal day comes. I know, because there's just so much cool stuff going on over there. It's very inspiring and exciting, and everyone's sharing their process and their fails and their fixes and all that kinds of stuff. So definitely go check this out. Big shout out and thanks to Tabitha Sewer and Lynn Wardrobe Sews for hosting this. I think it's just such a cool challenge, and it's really brought the community together in a really cool way. And I don't know why no one thought to host a challenge like this before, because it's getting us all out of our comfort zones and being really creative and crazy. So thanks, ladies, and I can't wait to go look at all of the new posts for the hashtag today, and till next week whenever things get really exciting. So thanks so much for hosting, and thank you for joining me on this journey and letting me show you my process. I hope you've had as much fun as I have doing it. I'll see y'all next week, and happy sewing. Bye!